Hey there, Lytvynchuk is here, and in this video I will show you how to integrate your Stripe account with Clickfunnels for whatever your purpose is. If you want to sell e-commerce product or digital products on Clickfunnels, you need to integrate some type of payment gateway with Clickfunnels. So in this case, we'll go over and how to connect your Stripe account to Clickfunnels. And this is going to be a new video, the 2018-2019, because I didn't find the exact video for how to do that, so I decided to make this video for you. So with that being said, let's just dive straight into it and I'll show you how to do that. And also, as you stick with me till the end of the video, I will also show you two other methods how to add your product to Clickfunnels, and also how to set up a Stripe account and order form within Clickfunnels. So there's going to be tons of value for you. So with that being said, again, let's dive into it. So as you see right now, I'm here on my Clickfunnels account. So the first thing to do, you want to click right here on your icon on the right hand corner and go to payment gateways. We're going to click here. It takes us to the page that looks just like this, and you see I don't have any payment gateway set up yet. So on the right corner side, it says add new payment gateway. So you want to click here. And then here you have different options that Clickfunnels suggests you to choose in order to integrate with. So as you can see, you can integrate your ClickBank account, you can go with BlueSnap, you can go with JVZoo, but in our case we go with Stripe. So you click here on Stripe, and as you see, it says currently I have using 0 of 1 Stripe accounts. So all you need to do is click create Stripe account. And then it takes to the page that looks just like this. So on this page, you need to make sure that you're not logged into your Stripe account yet on the same window. And next step, you will need to give a name of your Stripe account. So all you need to do is, let's say, we'll name it Demo. And after that, here's the option. You can enable Apple Pay. So if people use Apple, they will be able to pay with Apple. And you just could choose from this option, choose your domain, and it's just optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to do that. And next thing is default Stripe account. So you click on this toggle and you can choose as default Stripe account, and but it's also optional. I just go with just like that, and after that you're gonna click on create Stripe account. Then it takes you to this page where its next step is connect, and all you need to do in this step is just click next button, connect with a Stripe, and it will take you to the Stripe website where you will be able to log into your existing Stripe account if you don't have one. Or what you can do, you can create a new Stripe account. It's completely free. Just fill out all the forms. And for this demonstration purpose, I'll just click here next, connect with Stripe. And as you see, it takes me to Stripe account, and it just takes some time to load it up. And just like that, you can activate your account. You just fill in out all this information, your business, your EIN, your last name, your phone number, and all these credentials. And also after you've done that, you just click authorize access to this account, and just like that, guys, you will integrate your Stripe account with Clickfunnels. As simple as that. As I was promising you, I want to give you two bonuses in this video. And first one, I want to show you the resource where you can actually, right here, there is the resource how you can set up a Stripe one-time product. And this is step by step. They're showing you, and they have also the video on Clickfunnels how to set up a one-time product on your page and actually integrate the product that you're gonna sell on Clickfunnels within on Clickfunnels. So, and second thing that you can do is, and all these links gonna be available under this video, guys, so you can check this out, because this already the video is right there. It's like coming straight. This tutorial is coming straight from Clickfunnels. And second thing is Stripe order form testing. So you want to set this up as well if you're looking to sell online. So as you see, is step 1, turn your funnel to the test mode, and basically just follow the steps. Also just watch a video tutorial if you need to, and it just 3 simple steps and you will be able to set up fully functioning Clickfunnels account where you can sell your products. And that's pretty much, guys, it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for this type of tutorials. I have other tutorials on Clickfunnels on my channel. And if you're new to the channel, again, make sure to subscribe, join the community, because also I'm sharing some online marketing tips and how to grow your online business. So that's it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one.